Introducing the GoPro HERO13 Black, the most advanced action camera GoPro has ever made. With its brand new HyperSmooth 6.0 stabilization, every shot looks cinematic, whether you're skydiving, mountain biking, or just filming everyday adventures. But here's something most people don't realize. The HERO13 Black now features 10-bit HDR video recording, capturing over 1 billion colors for unmatched detail and dynamic range. It's not just about video. The upgraded 1/1.7-inch sensor delivers stunning low-light performance, making sunrise and night shots look better than ever. And for creators, the 360-degree horizon lock keeps your footage perfectly level, even if your camera flips upside down. What's even cooler is the longer-lasting Enduro battery, optimized for cold and high-demand environments. That means more recording time, fewer interruptions. Plus, with Quik app integration, you can auto-highlight and edit your clips on the spot. And yes, it's still waterproof up to 33 feet without a housing, making it perfect for underwater shots straight out of the box. If you're serious about capturing your adventures in pro-level quality, the GoPro HERO13 Black is the upgrade you've been waiting for. Check out my affiliate link in the description to grab yours today and start creating like a pro.